Okay, so like we found before, the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. So we're gonna find the volume of water first. Inverted cone, all it means is it's upside down. So the radius is 12 and the height is 18. So 1/3, and then it's pi, and then 12 squared times 18. So then that would be, if I calculate it, so it should be pi 144 times 6. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this because why not? And the reason I am leaving it this way is because it'll take some time to simplify, and I can easily cancel things out in the next portion, which is having to do with the cylinder. So so the volume is equal to pi times 144 times 6, but this is poured into a cylinder, and this cylinder has a radius 12, right? Because, or no, a radius 24 centimeters, sorry, 24. So this is also equal to pi 24 squared times h. We don't know what h is. We're trying to find out what h is. So pi 144 times 6 is equal to pi. So 24 squared is 576 times h. So this cancels and you leave with a 4. Pi cancels. So h is equal to 6/4, which is 3/2 or 1.5. So our answer is 1.5. So the height of the water in the cylinder is 1.5. Here the process of steps is using this cone formula, volume formula basically, finding the total volume of the water, right? This is the volume of water, and then setting it equal to a certain, and assuming the height is h, setting it equal to the volume of cylinder, like the water in the cylinder, and then you're done. Okay, so that's the basic of, that's the coverage of geometry for AMC8. We learned concepts of perimeter and circumference at the beginning, and we talked about the really important min, peri, and max area properties, and how it's better to have more square-like shapes to get minimum perimeter for the same area and maximum area for a given perimeter. We also learned a little bit about how to calculate the area of a triangle, of a quadrilateral, and we looked into the perimeter of some polygons and things as well. And lastly, we learned about volume, surface area, and formula for 3D shapes like sphere, cylinder, and cone in specific, which actually show up more on AMC8. Okay, so that's the end of this lesson. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at ananyak.rmc@gmail.com. Thank you.